Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix slow speed download on Epic Games Launcher. If you have ever been stuck on waiting for a game to download, don't worry. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to resolve this issue in just a few simple steps. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Launch your Epic Games app. Now click on the profile icon given at the top right corner. The fun options will appear. Navigate to the option of settings, open it. Now over here you're going to find a fun option, scroll down, check in for the option of throttle downloads. Now in this box, type in 1100 kbs and then click on save. Now I can try to download any of the game. Your problem might be resolved. Next up, click on the search box and then type in run. After it appears, click on it. Now in this box, type in percentage local app data, percentage, click on OK. A new folder will open up. Now from this list, find the option of Epic Games Launcher. Once you find it, open it. Now click on Saved. Now click on the option Config. Click on Windows. Now from this list, click on the option of Engine. Now in this box, you have to type in these. Once you type in all these, you can click on Save. Now I can try to download any of the game. Heading towards next solution. In the search box, type in firewall and protection and then search for it. Now navigate to this option, allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings option. Click on the option, allow another app. Then click on the option browse. Now locate where your Epic Games has been downloaded. I have downloaded it in local disk. Once you find it, you have to click on it and then click on open. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix slow download speed on Epic Games Launcher. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have got any issues, you can comment down below.